Craving that perfect, chew-worthy homemade jerky, but tired of ending up with overly dry or unevenly cured batches? Today we are breaking down the absolute best dehydrators on the market that will transform your kitchen into a premium jerky factory. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which dehydrator is worth your hard-earned cash, but you might be surprised to find out that the most expensive option isn't necessarily the one sitting at the number one spot. Seven, Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator. At first glance, this unit appeals to those who are on a strict budget and want to dip their toes into the world of homemade jerky without a massive upfront investment. The dehydrator features 5 stackable BPA-free trays, providing a decent amount of drying space for a small batch of beef or turkey jerky. It operates on a simple base mechanism that pushes heated air up through the center of the trays. When I tested this model, the initial setup was incredibly straightforward, basically requiring you to just plug it in and turn the dial. It has an adjustable temperature control ranging from 95 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which technically meets the minimum requirements for safely drying meat. You can easily prep a basic marinade, slice up your lean cuts, and lay them out across the plastic tiers. However, the actual jerky making experience revealed some significant frustrations that are hard to ignore. The air circulation on this model is bottom mounted, meaning the heat comes directly from the base and struggles to reach the top trays evenly. I found myself having to constantly rotate the trays every couple of hours just to prevent the bottom batch from overcooking while the top batch remained completely raw and floppy. Furthermore, the motor is surprisingly loud for such a compact machine, producing a constant droning hum that became quite annoying in the kitchen. When you consider that jerky typically takes anywhere from 4 to 8 hours to dry, that noise level becomes a real test of patience. The plastic trays also felt a bit flimsy in my hands, and I genuinely worried about them cracking during the washing process. Ultimately, while the Elite Gourmet EFD 308 can technically produce jerky, it requires entirely too much babysitting to be a convenient tool. 6. NESCO FD-75A. This is a highly recognizable name in the dehydrating world, sporting a distinctive speckled gray exterior and a top-mounted fan system. It comes with 5 trays out of the box, but one of its major selling points is that it is expandable up to 12 trays, making it seemingly ideal for those who want to scale up their jerky production over time. During my testing, the top-mounted power head, which pushes air down and horizontally across the trays, showed an improvement over the bottom-mounted design of the Elite Gourmet. The NESCO FD-75A features an adjustable thermostat that maxes out at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and it pumps out 600 watts of drying power. I used it to dry a sizable batch of venison, and the opaque exterior actually did a nice job of blocking out light, which can sometimes degrade the nutritional quality of the food. Despite the brand's solid reputation, the Snackmaster Pro isn't without its noticeable flaws. The biggest issue I encountered was the lack of a built-in timer. In today's market, having to rely on your smartphone alarm or a kitchen timer to remember when your dehydrator needs to be turned off feels incredibly outdated. If you happen to run errands and leave it on too long, you will come back to meat that resembles shoe leather. Additionally, while the top-mounted fan provides better airflow than bottom-mounted units, I still noticed uneven drying when I expanded the unit past the standard 5 trays. The outer edges of the meat dried significantly faster than the pieces closer to the center, which meant I still had to do some manual tray rotation to ensure a uniform batch. The center hole design of the trays also slightly limits the usable surface area for longer strips of meat. 5. Elite Gourmet EFD 319. This unit attempts to solve some of the geometric limitations of traditional round dehydrators by offering a rectangular footprint. It comes equipped with 5 stainless steel trays, which is an immediate and highly welcome upgrade over the standard plastic trays found in most budget-friendly machines. Right out of the box, the stainless steel trays caught my attention because they are far more durable and much easier to clean. When you are dealing with sticky, sugary jerky marinades like teriyaki or sweet chili, plastic trays can become a nightmare to scrub. With the EFD 319, I simply soaked the stainless steel racks in warm soapy water and the residue practically wiped right off. The rectangular shape is arguably its best feature for jerky enthusiasts. When laying out long, uniform strips of beef or turkey, The rectangular trays accommodate the shape of the meat much better than circular trays with an annoying hole in the middle. I was able to fit significantly more meat per square inch, maximizing the overall yield of my drying sessions. Performance-wise, this model features an adjustable thermostat up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and operates with a horizontal airflow system. This means the fan is located at the back of the unit rather than the top or bottom. In my testing, this back-mounted fan provided beautifully consistent heat distribution across all 5 levels. I did not have to rotate the trays a single time, which was a massive relief. The Elite Gourmet EFD319 also features a sleek glass viewing window on the door, allowing you to easily monitor the drying progress without opening the unit and letting all the precious heat escape. Four, Magic Mill Premium. This machine represents a significant leap into the prosumer category of dehydrators. It boasts 7 spacious stainless steel trays and a rugged, high-quality build that feels like it belongs in a commercial kitchen. The Magic Mill Premium is designed for people who take their food preservation seriously and want a machine that can handle large volumes with ease. When I put this unit to the test, the first thing that blew me away was the digital interface. It features a highly precise digital thermostat and a built-in timer that can be set for up to 24 hours. The ability to program the exact temperature and drying time completely removes the guesswork from making jerky. Once the timer runs out, the machine automatically shuts off, ensuring your meat is never over-dried or ruined. The rear-mounted fan technology in the Magic Mill Premium is outstanding. It promotes continuous, even airflow throughout the entire cabinet. I loaded up all 7 trays to maximum capacity with a thick-cut, black pepper beef jerky recipe, and the results were incredibly uniform. The pieces on the top rack were just as perfectly chewy and cured as the pieces on the bottom rack. Another feature I loved during my testing was the transparent front door. It lets you keep a close eye on the transformation of your food without disrupting the internal temperature. Additionally, the machine operates at a whisper-quiet noise level. Unlike the loud humming of cheaper models, the Magic Mill Premium blends right into the background of a busy kitchen, which is a huge plus for overnight drying sessions. Cleanup was also a breeze, as the stainless steel trays are fully dishwasher safe. The unit even comes with additional accessories like mesh sheets for smaller items and a fruit leather tray, adding to its versatility. 3. Presto 06300. Now, you might be wondering how a seemingly basic round dehydrator beat out some of the more advanced digital models. The answer lies in its sheer, unmatched reliability, efficiency, and incredible value for money. The Presto Dehydro is a classic workhorse that has perfected the art of simple, effective dehydration. This model comes with 4 drying trays, but is expandable up to 8. What makes the Presto stand out during my hands-on testing was its preset temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While it lacks an adjustable thermostat, 165 degrees is actually the exact USDA recommended temperature for safely making meat jerky. This fixed temperature takes all the overthinking out of the process. You just plug it in and it operates at the perfect heat level for beef, poultry, or venison. The bottom-mounted fan is surprisingly powerful for its compact size. I was initially skeptical about the airflow, given my previous experiences with bottom fan models. But the Presto features a unique tray design that channels the air perfectly up the center and across each level. My test batch of spicy jalapeno beef jerky came out with an amazing, consistent texture, and I only had to do a minor tray swap once near the end of the drying cycle. One of the most practical features of the Presto 06300 is how it stores. The trays nest inside one another, significantly reducing the height of the machine when not in use. If you have limited cabinet space in your kitchen, this compact storage capability is an absolute game changer. It is lightweight, easy to pull out when you need it, and tucks away neatly when you are done. While it doesn't have a timer or digital bells and whistles, the Presto Dehydro proves that you don't always need complex technology to get perfect results. 2. Magic Mill Pro. If you love the features of the Magic Mill Premium but need even more capacity and advanced functionality, the Pro version is an absolute dream come true. This large capacity machine comes equipped with 10 individual stainless steel trays, providing an enormous drying area that is perfect for large families, avid hunters, or anyone who likes to meal prep jerky in bulk. In testing this behemoth, I immediately appreciated the heavy-duty construction and the sleek, professional aesthetic. The rear-mounted drying fan and airflow circulation technology are incredibly robust. I filled all 10 trays with a massive batch of teriyaki beef jerky, and the machine handled it flawlessly. The hot air is distributed so evenly that every single strip of meat across all 10 levels reached the ideal level of chewiness at the exact same time. The digital control panel on the Magic Mill Pro is exceptionally user-friendly. You can adjust the temperature from 95 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and the timer can be set in 30-minute increments for up to 24 hours. The automatic shutoff feature gave me the peace of mind to start a massive batch of jerky right before bed, waking up to the incredible smell of perfectly finished, shelf-stable meat snacks. Another fantastic addition to the Pro model is the Keep Warm function. Once the primary drying cycle is complete, the machine can automatically switch to a lower temperature to keep the food warm and perfectly dry until you are ready to unload it. This prevents any moisture from the surrounding room from seeping back into the jerky if you aren't around the moment the timer goes off. Despite its large size, the Magic Mill Pro is incredibly quiet, emitting only a gentle, fan-like hum. The stainless steel trays slide out smoothly on tracks, making loading and unloading a breeze, and they are completely dishwasher safe. 1. Cosori Food Dehydrator. This machine is the ultimate gold standard for homemade jerky, offering a flawless combination of premium build quality, precision technology, and aesthetic appeal. Featuring 6 high-quality stainless steel trays, it strikes the perfect balance between offering ample capacity for large batches and maintaining a footprint that actually fits under standard kitchen cabinets. From the moment I turned on the Cosori, it was clear why this model is so highly regarded. It features an incredibly sleek glass front door and a modern brushed stainless steel exterior that looks stunning in any kitchen. The digital touch control panel is highly responsive and intuitive, allowing you to easily set the timer for up to 48 hours and the temperature anywhere from 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The true magic of the Cosori lies in its whisper-quiet rear-mounted fan system. During my testing, this machine produced the most evenly dried, perfectly textured jerky out of every model on this list. The horizontal airflow is meticulously calibrated, meaning absolutely no tray rotation is required. I loaded it up with a thick, sticky honey sriracha beef jerky, and every single piece cured to absolute perfection without any cold spots or burnt edges. Safety and convenience are also top priorities for Cosori. The machine features built-in overheat protection and an automatic shutoff function, so you can confidently run it while you are at work or asleep. Furthermore, the noise level is practically non-existent. At less than 48 decibels, it is quieter than a standard library, making it the least intrusive dehydrator I have ever had the pleasure of testing. When you factor in the easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe stainless steel trays, the included recipe book that is actually packed with fantastic marinade ideas, and the unmatched consistency of the drying process, the Cosori Food Dehydrator stands in a league of its own.